Welcome back guys, welcome back to Crown Geek. Now many people these days have the problem like they stuck on a blue screen like it says automatic repair loop, or this PC ran into a problem, startup repair. So if you're stuck on a loop and if you have tried many solutions, even I have created a video, but in case unfortunately if nothing is working for you, then many people have the question that what to do the next. They don't know that how to get rid of this problem. So finally, I have a solution that you can apply. So in case if you have tried everything and nothing is working, I would recommend you that kindly go ahead and reinstall Windows 11 or Windows 10, whichever you are using. Now you might have a question that if I go with the reinstall, I will be losing all my data. No, you won't be losing any of your data. That's what I will be explaining you in this video. So this is one of the best way to get rid of automatic repair loop, startup repair, or any kind of blue screen problem. So what you will need here, you will need a Windows 10 or Windows 11 bootable USB drive through which you can reinstall Windows 11. So if you have one, then it's good to go. But if you have not created any bootable USB, then I have already created a video that how you can make a bootable USB for your Windows 11. So you can make that. And after that, you need to boot your computer with that particular USB that you have made bootable. So you need to enter your BIOS mode using the BIOS key that can be different like F2, delete, F12, depending that what kind of manufacturer you have. So once you come to BIOS, you have to select the boot priority, the boot order, and you have to make the USB bootable on the top so that the next time when you start your computer, it can boot with your USB pen drive. Once it boot up, the first screen that you will find here, it will be like this. And once you come up here, you have to click on next. Then you need to click on install now. The installation will now be started and it will take some time. Now it will ask you the product key. So if you have your product key, then you can enter it. Sometime it automatically detect it. So if you don't remember it, then you can click on I don't have a product key. Now here you have to choose the same version that you were using before. So if you're using Windows 11 Pro, then you have to select the same option. For Windows 10 also, you need to select the same option. Then click on next. Check the box. Click on next. Now here you get two different options like upgrade and custom. So first you can try with upgrade. If this method works for you, then you can continue. Or else if it fails, then you can come to custom option. Click on it. Now this is the most important part. So now it will show you all kind of your drive and partitions. Now here you have to select the same partition where your previous Windows was being installed. So you can see here on my end, I can see my primary drive where my Windows was being installed, and I have to select the same partition. So you also need to look for the same primary partition. Select that drive. Do not go with format or delete. Simply click on next. And now here you can see it says if the partition you have chosen contain file from a previous Windows installation, these file and folder will be moved to a folder named windows.old. So as I said that none of the file will be deleted and those file will be moved to a folder called windows.old. So I will be explaining you by the end of this video when the Windows will be installed. So click on OK. And the installation will now be started. So let's wait here until the installation is completed. Then I will let you know what you have to do next. Okay, so now it's finally getting things ready for us. So again, you will have to keep some patience until we get the next screen. So now here it says, how would you like to set up this device? So I would recommend that you should go with setup for work or school. If you want to go with the first option, you can go with it, no problem. Then click on next. And now it will give you an option that you want to sign in with your Microsoft account. But I don't want to go with the Microsoft account. But if you want to, then you can enter your credential and log in with your Microsoft account. But if you also want to skip it, then click on sign in option. Then click domain join instead. And now just type any name that you want to. So I will type my name. Click on next. Now it asks you the password, so I would recommend that you can leave it as it is, so that it should not ask you any kind of password, because there will be a lot of security question and all. So I will skip as of now. You can manage the password later. So click on next. So it says choose privacy setting for your device. So location, diagnostic data, typing personalization. You can disable all these options. Then click on accept. And now finally Windows 11 will be making things ready for you, and it will be preparing the desktop and all. So again, it will take some time, so wait. And then finally we will be into our Windows 11 desktop. Bingo. So now we are successfully on our Windows 11 desktop, and we have fixed the problem of blue screen. Now you might have a question, where is my data now? So in order to get your data, click on the File Explorer. Then you have to click on this PC. Go to your local drive, that is your local disk C. Double click on it. Now here you will find a folder by the name windows.old. Okay, so this is your previous Windows file, and this is your new Windows that we just installed. So click on windows.old, then click on users. Now click on the username that you had before. So now here you can see all your desktop, document, download options, videos. So if you click on it, you will find all your data here. I don't have too much because this is my virtual machine, but when you will click on it, you will find all your data that you had before. So now what you can do, you can just copy the data from all these locations, then you can paste it on your desktop download of the new Windows 11, and after that you can delete all these files because it will be taking some kind of storage. Okay, so this is the best way to fix any kind of blue screen, any kind of problem like automatic repair loop. If nothing works for you, then this is the right way to fix it. Hopefully guys, this will be surely helping you, and if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.